Today I'm going to make some magic soup, and this soup requires a lot of ingredients. So we have some green onions, some chives, some carrots, garlic, ginger, and the original recipe requires cranberries, but I only had dry cherries. So celery, leeks, onions, bok choy. There's some Napa cabbage over there on the left, and some chicken thighs. So I'm going to start off cutting the leeks. I'm actually only supposed to cut one of them, but I'm going to go ahead and chop them up. And then we're going to chop up the bok choy along with celery and carrots. Now I have a colander over to the left in the sink that I'm just throwing all this inside of so that I can wash it after I get done chopping everything. And I'm just chopping it into big chunks. This is the Napa cabbage. I'm peeling off the outside leaves and then cutting up the rest. Then it requires 2 onions. So I'm getting those chopped up and also thrown into the colander. And then there is the ginger. Now, I did add this ginger with the skin on it. I do eventually peel the skin off before I start cooking. So now we're going to rinse all the vegetables off. And when I get to the bottom, I separate the leeks because I know that they hold dirt. So all this is going to go into the pot. Now, this is not supposed to have any type of liquid. It's supposed to make its own liquid. So I'm going to add 8 cloves of garlic and some chives. So while that sits, I'm going to go ahead and sear the chicken. So I'm just going to add some avocado oil to the bottom of the skillet. Just the regular salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika on the chicken. I already seasoned it. And once it's seared, I'll just set it to the side. I'm going to add the dried cherries. And then I'm going to season this. So I'm going to add some turmeric and some chicken bouillon. The rest of the flavor will come from the chicken and all the vegetables. So all that's added. It cooks for 2 hours, and this is the finished product. This does not look like everybody else's did on social media. Everybody else had all this broth. So not sure what I did wrong. What are your thoughts?